What I'd really like people to understand is, if you're purchasing an item for £100, for example, if you work that backwards, some of those products are having to come in at £20, £30. That's including labour and fabric, and there's a lot behind the scenes that I think consumers in particular need to be more aware of, and producing a product for 20, 30 quid is just really difficult. So we're a UK-based manufacturing facility and we serve luxury brands globally. We became into existence because there was skill shortages for mills initially, and that's where we started. Mills are based in different parts of the United Kingdom, so they might be in Scotland, the north of England, and they really struggle to put bums on seats when it comes to skilled work. So we would step in to support them in those roles.
The quality that we inherently have, we do work to very high quality standards within the UK. We do match the best in the world. And it's very easy for us to maintain those standards because of the quality workforce that we have. The UK is able to produce reasonably cost product. It will always be slightly higher than the rest of the world, simply because our staff work to a much higher standard and we look after our staff to a much higher standard. As
UK manufacturers, how can we build ourselves up to show that we are, a British counterpart, that we can compete on the same stage and really deliver the same sort of product? And we've got so much to offer in textiles generally in the UK that is really geared towards the luxury market as well.